Hello guys, and welcome to my unboxing of the Sony SRS XB41. So this is a Bluetooth speaker. As you can see from Sony, we have a nice picture of it right here. And it says in big letters Extra Bass. So this is from the Extra Bass series from Sony. And down here we can see some features like Bluetooth, NFC, of course. It has a IP67 rating, so it's water and dust proof, so you can take it with you to the beach or on a pool party or something. We have the lightning system. We can pair it with another one to have stereo sound, or we can pair it with the Sony ecosystem. So on the side it just says Extra Bass again, and we have the full picture of the speaker. On the back side, there are some features listed, like, as I said, the wireless party chain, the lightning, the waterproof, or that it is waterproof and dust proof, and stuff like this. And we have again another picture of it. And on this side we have the two apps which we will need to configure this speaker, or to use all of the features. So yeah, let's start to open it up. You can just open it like this, fold this all out of the way. And then we can already see the speaker itself wrapped up in plastic. As you can see right here, we'll try to get it out. There's nothing more inside of this. Let's put this on the side. And we have the speaker right here. I think I will get it out of the plastic as well. Plastic away and put the speaker away for now. Let's look what's inside of the box. So this is everything. Here we have again a lot of documentation, as always, with the electronic devices, like setup guides and warranty information and stuff like this. Very important that you read all of this, of course. And then we have this little cardboard box with the accessories, I think. So let's open this up. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit. Exactly, so we have those few things. We have the charging cable with the power brick, so they don't ship a USB connector, but you can also charge it via the normal 5V USB. I think it's micro USB, but we will have a look later. And then we of course have the different like connectors, whatever they are called. We have two different ones, these two, but yeah, nothing really interesting. So let's take a look at the speaker itself. I will have to zoom out again. So this is the speaker itself. It says Sony right here, as you can see. And here we have those LEDs going all around the speaker, the front and the sides of it. Then on top we have the control panel with the on-off button, Bluetooth, the live mode button. We have the NFC tag, volume up and down, and play and pause. And with this button you can also skip tracks or go back to previous tracks. So if you press it once, it will play and pause. If you press it twice, it will skip the track, and if you press it 3 times, it will go back 1 track. Exactly, so on the underside we just have these 2 rubber feet, so it won't slide away that much. And on the back we have this little flap. We can open this up, I think. Yeah, and here there are some more buttons. So we have the battery indicator, so that it tells us how much battery is left. We have the wireless party chain button and the add button. So these 2 are for pairing with another Sony speaker. Then we have the charging cable input right here, and as I said, the micro USB input. We just need 5 volt. We have a reset button, and audio input right here, and a USB out. You can also use this speaker as a portable battery for a smartphone, for example. But yeah, this is already all there is to it. Nothing more in the box. I will, as always, show you all of the contents again. Like this. Yeah, not really that much in the box, but yeah, it's all that I need. So that was already my unboxing. Thank you very much, and have a great day.